Hello and welcome back to the Green Workbench. So last year from our garden, I canned a lot of spaghetti sauce and tomato paste, and that's the thing we use the most. So we have 0 left. Lasted a year, which is great. We haven't bought a can of spaghetti sauce for a year, but it is super time consuming to make. So I am trying something different. I am trying to make a powdered spaghetti sauce. I know you can do a powdered tomato sauce, but I'm trying to do it with the actual ingredients of a spaghetti sauce. So I'm going to cut and dry onions, garlic, peppers, and then obviously tomatoes in my dehydrator and turn them into a powder, so that we just have to add water and mix to the desired consistency. So let's go through that. So first I slice the onions and the peppers, and I'm using an adjustable slicer so that I could get nice thin slices. And I'm going to do one more pepper and then start on the tomatoes. This is my slicer. Super sharp and super thin, and it's adjustable. Alright, we've got different varieties of tomatoes. So I'm going to stack those tomatoes first. I wish I had some aromas, but they're not ready yet. So tomatoes, peppers, garlic, and onion. And that's all I am adding to the powder. So we're going to stick those in, turn on the dryer. This dryer's got to be 40 years old, so there's no temperature, or it's either on or off. So sometimes it can be a little hit or miss. So turn it on, we'll just keep checking it till everything is dry. All right, we've got our peppers and tomatoes. You want everything to be completely dry. And it looks like they are. So we're going to dump them all in the blender together. And then I'm going to add I had dried basil leaves already, that's why I didn't dry any here. So I'm going to add those as well. All right, we're going to try it in the blender. If this doesn't work, I'll switch over to the food processor. So wait for some noise. All right, that worked beautifully, and it smells amazing. So the issue is I don't know how much you need to create sauce once you add water. So I'm going to divide this into 2 little jars, and we'll just try it out the next time we have spaghetti. So I will try to remember to make a video when I do that, so we can talk about how much water to add. Okay, I threw a desiccant packet in with it, and then just put it in these jars. I'm not sealing them or anything. Like, I'm not hot washing them or anything, because it's a dry powder. So there we go. Spaghetti sauce in powder form. Let me know if you have any comments, or if you've done it before, or if I should do something different. Please subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you next time on the Green Workbench. And now it's time to clean up.